Hi everybody, welcome to Ash & Co Workshops. This is a quick intro video just to show you what you get if you buy one of our wooden rainbow kits. So first thing to mention is all of our rainbows are made from solid ash hardwood, really nice quality furniture grade hardwood. They come in a load of different varieties, so we'll just go through them now. First of all, you can choose a 6-arch rainbow like these two here, or you can choose a 7-arch rainbow like these two here. They also come in two different kind of finish varieties. So you can go for a raw version like this one, which is just as it came off the bandsaw. It's completely unsanded and you do all of the work. Or you can go for a rounded version where we have taken the edges off and rounded them over like you can see here. Both of them will still require sanding though as well. Okay, so inside the kit you get your rainbow, and you'll also get a piece of sandpaper as well to make your rainbow look absolutely beautiful. Second then, if you choose to go for one of our Osmo colouring kits, which allows you to get to your rainbows looking like these two here, I'll show you what's in the box. So you get 2 pairs of gloves, you get a red, a yellow, a blue and a white, and from those colours you can mix the other colours that you need. You will also get a load of pots to do some mixing in, some application cloths and a load of stirry sticks to make the colours up. You can end up with colours looking just like these ones here. We think they look absolutely fabulous and we're sure you're going to have loads and loads of fun making them. Once the Osmo has dried, then it is child safe, pet safe, it's really good for the environment, super low VOC, all of that kind of lovely stuff as well. Okay, I hope that answers your questions about our rainbow kits and I really hope you have fun making them. Thanks for watching. Bye.